Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hide Instagram chats. So if you want to hide your or one of your chat with your friend, it's very easy. Just go to your inbox, your message, and choose one of your friend that you want to hide. Here for example, and tap his profile. Tap it, and this is the profile, this is the bio, and tap option here. You can tap on restrict here, so their message will be hide. Let's try again. If you want to show again, you can tap on unrestrict and go to restrict again if you want to hide. This message and comment will be hidden here, so please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.